Things you didn't know. How to lock images in the background of a OneNote page. Do you use OneNote to share information with students for them to interact in their personal notebooks by writing or typing directly on documents? But every once in a while, you have that student that accidentally deletes a page. Don't worry, I have a fix. If you would like to prevent students from accidentally deleting or moving an object, all you need to do is select that object. Now, if you have multiple objects that you want to select, you can use the Control button to select another one, or you can use Control A to select all of them. Once you've selected all of the objects that you would like to fix in place, the next step is to right-click on one of them and hit Set as Background. What that does is locks all of the objects and images that you've placed in place so that students can't accidentally delete or move them around. And what's even better is they can type right on them. Now they can type or write on these pages without the fear of deleting or changing the order or format of the document that you've shared. Hope this helps.